Hi, here is the demo for Localize. Let's get started. Here we have three options: self-service, need for volunteers, and be a volunteer. Let's go with self-service first. Here we have given an option to browse through different shops in your area. As you can see, the above instructions are pretty straightforward. You can easily book a time slot. Here are the time slots. When you click on OK, you will get a QR code. This QR code can be shown at the shops to gain entry. Here we have also generated a token in case the QR code isn't working at the shops. It can also be shown to them. Now let's move on to need for volunteers. Here we have to first self-certify. Now we have to enter what all items we need. After that, we will be shown the time slots. Here we have selected 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. time slot. Now after that, we will get a notification which tells us to notify us when a volunteer accepts our delivery. Now let's move on to be a volunteer. Here we have to again self-certify. Here the volunteer can see all the order lists which are pending. Delivery 1, delivery 2, delivery 3. You can see the ID, name, address, and also the items which have been ordered by them. Let's go with delivery number 3. After the delivery has been accepted, the person who asked for volunteers will get a notification along with the phone number of the volunteer, which they can contact and discuss the further address in details and the items they need. Also, the time slots of the shops will get refreshed at 6:30 p.m. IST for so that new time slots can be added and people can shop again. That's a demo for localized. Thank you.